Hi, Sculpture. Welcome to another week of art with Mrs. Williams, and welcome to midterm week. Woohoo! We made it. I'll be explaining what we're doing for our midterm, along with some funky changes that are happening this week. All right. So really quick, we are gonna do sketches this week. So yes, you do have to sketch every single day again. We will not have a Freaky Friday or an artist spotlight this week. So you guys are free on that angle. Hooray! I know you guys are so excited that we don't have that. And that is so we can focus on our midterm mini project. And I want to spend the bulk of this video explaining what I want you guys doing for that. Here's some, if you're new to the class, welcome. It's a crazy week to join, but here we are. You'll be turning in sketches here, and this is what I want you to do for sketches. No artist spotlight. Yay, fall break. I do this because my grading window closes Thursday after school. So your project is actually going to be due Thursday. Now, you can turn it in as late as you want on Thursday. You can turn it in at 11:58 p.m. I don't care. As long as it's not 12:01 on Friday, okay? So that is the reason why you do not have a Freaky Friday this week, and you can focus on your midterm instead. Midterm, we are doing a mini element project. So what I want you to do is I want you to use a base to help speed this process along. I don't want you to make your 3D object and then worry about designing it with an element. I know in my art classes in person, they all have Dollar Tree plastic animals and they've been spray painted white. And so that way they have a base and they are ready to go with this project. You can use that same idea. You can use a plastic animal. You can use a soda can. You can go out and use a box from McDonald's. I don't care. I just want you to have something 3D that you can design on. You could even make a paper airplane. I do not mind. Now, once you have a base sculpture, something that you can design on top of, you need to pick two elements of art to go into that sculpture that you can design. You may not use form as an element because form means 3D shape. And if you have a base sculpture, everyone already has form. So form is not special. So you can use any of the other elements except for form. So you can do line, shape, value. Value is shading, going light to dark, color, texture, or space. And so when you have your object, you're going to redesign that object to create that visual element. And you'll have to also explain in a paragraph what that element is. All right, so you're turning in a picture of your sculpture and then a Google Doc, like 3 to 4 sentences of what elements you chose. So if I turned in this pink giraffe down here, I could say my sculpture uses color because he's not in black and white. He does use pink, and pink is a color, so therefore it exemplifies color. And it also exemplifies texture because in the back I've added something to that sculpture so it would feel different in real life with the plants coming out of its back. So I used color and I also used texture. Awesome. And I'm hiding my other example. Poor little guy. He's a beautiful little tiger with some polka dots on him. And that sculpture used shapes and colors in their design. So if you want to look at the slideshow, you'll see that. But here we are, guys. Okay, so that's a huge midterm, but hopefully having the base already done for you can help set you up and launch you into this week. So that way Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, you'll really just be working on the design of your sculpture rather than making your sculpture and then designing it. All right, so guys, I will see you around. Great and good luck on your midterms. And if you have any questions, I'll be around. Good luck, guys!